In the hallowed grounds of Goodwood, where automotive legends are forged amidst the roar of engines and the cheers of enthusiasts, a new contender emerges to challenge the very limits of speed and grace. The Hispano Suiza Carmen Sagrera, a masterpiece of engineering and artistry, prepares to make its mark on the iconic Goodwood Hillclimb. Born from a legacy steeped in automotive excellence, the Carmen Sagrera embodies the essence of Hispano Suiza's commitment to innovation and performance. Named in homage to Carmen Mateu, the matriarch of the Suqué Mateu family, it is a testament to heritage and vision, blending classic elegance with cutting-edge technology. Adorned in a lustrous coat of Sagrera blue, a hue inspired by the Mediterranean seas that caress its Catalan roots, the Carmen Sagrera commands attention from every angle. Its sculpted curves and aerodynamic profile speak to its purpose, to conquer the twists and turns of the Goodwood Hillclimb with precision and poise. Beneath its sleek exterior lies a symphony of power and efficiency. A dual-motor electric drivetrain, meticulously engineered for performance, propels the Carmen Sagrera forward with instant torque and seamless acceleration. This silent but formidable force promises not only speed but also a sustainable future, echoing Hispano Suiza's dedication to environmental responsibility. Inside the cockpit, the atmosphere is one of opulence and sophistication. Handcrafted leather upholstery, stitched with precision and care, cocoons driver and passenger in luxury. Brushed aluminum accents and bespoke finishes elevate the interior to a realm of bespoke craftsmanship, ensuring every moment behind the wheel is an experience to cherish. As the Carmen Sagrera prepares to tackle the Goodwood Hillclimb, it does so with the latest in technological prowess. An advanced digital interface seamlessly integrates with the driver's instincts, providing real-time telemetry and performance data at their fingertips. Enhanced aerodynamics and a lightweight chassis optimize handling, allowing the Carmen Sagrera to dance through corners with grace and agility. Beyond its technical achievements, the Carmen Sagrera embodies a spirit of innovation and daring. It represents not just a car, but a statement, a declaration of Hispano Suiza's relentless pursuit of perfection and its unwavering commitment to pushing boundaries. For enthusiasts and connoisseurs alike, it stands as a beacon of automotive excellence, inviting all to witness its prowess on the historic Goodwood stage. As the countdown to the Hillclimb begins and anticipation mounts, the Hispano Suiza Carmen Sagrera stands poised and ready. It is more than a vehicle, it is a symphony of design, technology, and passion, destined to leave an indelible mark on the annals of automotive history. As it roars to life amidst the cheers of spectators, it reaffirms its place among the greats, embodying the spirit of innovation that defines the Goodwood Festival of Speed.